carb cleaner. I believe the power will be working. And that's why I don't know. Oh, no, that's working. So I have to shut it off, stick a screwdriver, but because I broke the brake, I believe the coaster was working. Oh man, that's pretty good. Yeah, the transmission didn't seem to work, but I mean, I don't know, you know, I could probably, I don't know, sell for parts or whatnot, I don't know. But at least the motor runs, that's pretty good. This thing runs really smooth, so I believe the primer bolt ain't working well. Damn it. I'm gonna drain the gas off the carburetor. Oh, it's pretty warm. This thing runs pretty smooth as is. Runs normal. Runs pretty good. So, I probably have to do is, I'm gonna probably see if I can clean the carburetor. Might have to rebuild it. But, now it runs, so I guess maybe I'll put it on the 10p10 deck, just anyways. But I don't know, you know, maybe it runs pretty well, so I'll probably just put it on the 10p10 deck just to get this thing out of the way. And but it's gonna need a bit of work. But I could do something. Well, actually, I could probably do is I might just keep my TVS. Actually, I might just keep my TVS 115 for parts till I have enough money to make parts off of this one, just temporarily. I'll just have to swap some parts, put it back in, but it's not a big deal. So I'm kind of pretty impressed that it runs, but a carb cleaner has to be sprayed into in order to get it to run. So I'm assuming the primer bulb isn't working. If that's the case, then the primer bulb doesn't seem to work. So you know what? Let me see if it starts back up. Not too bad. Not too bad. But oh no, I guess my carburetor does have to be a little clean. And in fact, there was a little bit of old gas in there, but it didn't surge, nothing. But I'll probably might just have to replace that bowl gasket because maybe why it's having a bit of a leak from there. But anyway. I'm going to replace the air filter on it. I'm going to replace this air filter before I even use it some more. Yeah, I just wanted to show you how I fix it. So this runs. Transmission doesn't really work, but it doesn't work that well, but I may look into it if I want to, but I don't know if it's a big deal. But at least just come see runs.